Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A5m, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend one on the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, right here. Push the pin in. Come on, there we go. Once you do, you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray, we have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. Placing your cards on the tray, carefully insert the tray back into your device. Now be careful, sometimes these cards might just kind of come out and wedge themselves while you're trying to push in the tray. Don't force it in if it's not going easily. Just make sure that the cards are still properly placed on the tray. Anyway, from there, once you insert your cards, they should start working on their own, hence why it's popping up with the SIM card pin. So that will unlock my SIM card, and SD card should be working as well. Let's see if we have any kind of notification. Nothing in here. Let's go into the settings then, and about device, and you can see it right here. So it is detecting the SD card as well. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.